Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this reading is you versus me for all the Capricorn Sun Moon rising for the month of September. So, you can think of a person that you have in your mind, and even if you don't have any person in your mind, we are just going to tap into your potential future partner's energy. Okay, so let's see what do we have for Capricorn Sun Moon rising for the month of September in the U energy. Love, Four of Staves, Six of Coins. Okay, let's check them energy as well. We have Prince of Coins and Princess of Coins together. Someone is really ready to put the world in your feet, Capricorn. Okay, someone is there who is ready to become a beggar. Someone is there who is ready to give all of them to all of you. Okay, this person is ready to put their entire kingdom into your feet. This person is ready to become completely empty and give away everything that they have that belongs to them, to you. That is for sure. This is your person's energy, what I see, even if you have no one in mind. Okay, even if you are completely single, this is the kind of energy that you are attracting. This person is going to recognize that you are the Lakshmi, you are their divine counterpart, and all that they have, it all belongs to you. I don't know what kind of energy is this. To be very honest, I never even had this kind of a thought in my life. Okay, and what I can see here, it's a very beautiful and a new insight that I have also received, that what I should be deserving. So yeah, so that is there, and definitely I do feel that the person that you're going to deal with, this person could be someone who leads with the heart, but sometimes this person is also but not sometimes, but because I think that's how it should be, because this person is very practical, this person is very wise, they know where to invest their energy in, though this person might not be very lovey-dovey or that kind of energy, but at the same time this person knows how to walk with their heart on, how to lead with heart. Okay, and on the other side, if I talk about your energy, you are into an energy where you are all about love. Okay, so I see a very beautiful match here. I see that two people who are completely complementing each other. Okay, two people who are completely into each other, two people who understand each other, and they are mutually going to complement energetically also. This is what I see in the month of September. So something really big is happening in the month of September. Someone is definitely coming towards you. Okay, this person, howsoever you meet this person is going to offer the world to you. That is for sure. You won't have to do anything. Okay, you just have to see, like, there will be a point, and I really hope this happens in the month of September. All you're going to see is that you will be the safest person. The whole world can turn cold. Okay, but you will feel all the warmth from this person. Okay, if this person goes for a war, if this person goes for some kind of a fight or some kind of a struggle or whatever, he's going to make sure that you feel the safest around him. Okay, or he or she, whomsoever you can think of. You can also read the story about Danae and Perseus. Okay, I think that's how you pronounce. I don't really know. I just feel that you will get a lot of clarity. I don't know what the story is. I'm definitely going to YouTube this, but do that. It's going to be it will give you a lot of clarity behind this whole scenario. Okay, and the most beautiful part of this reading is also that your left side is going to be more activated when you meet this person. Okay, you will see that if you have any scars on your left side, they're going to be removed. Okay, or if you have if you feel a bit weak in your feminine side, or if your feminine side is not your strength, you will see that your feminine side is going to become your strength. Okay, your life is really changing. Okay, because this person is going to be like the right side of you. Okay, they will take care of all the right actions, and the responsibilities and this and that, and you're going to take care of all the left side wala part, which is all the emotions and nurturing and taking care and all that stuff. Okay, so that is definitely there. And just look at this picture, just see the way this man is putting all the coins and everything around this woman. Okay, this is the kind of love that I'm talking about. This is the kind of respect that I'm talking about. So you won't have to worry at all, you won't have to bother at all. Okay, you just sit and wait and watch and see what universe is up to. Talking about your energy, the you energy, one thing is for sure, that you have been waiting for the right time, right? You have been waiting for the right things to arrive in your life, but at the same time, I'm also getting, it's as if you have been a child when it comes to learning lessons in this category of patience. I feel that there has been some guardian angel in your life who has been teaching you a lot about patience and surrender, a lot about faith, a lot about grace, all of these things, and you have been taking all the lessons. And now I do feel that finally you will be completing the last lesson, and after that you will get what you want. For majority of you who's going to watch this video, I do feel that your marriage is really close. Okay, closer than you think. And some of you who wants to start your family and stuff like that, if you want kids and stuff, so I do see your wife getting pregnant. Okay, so that is also something that I see. And other than that, we got the card of love and four of staffs, so I do see a very harmonious connection coming your way. I do see that those who are already in a relationship, you will see a beautiful change in your relationship. You will see that you guys are spending more time with each other, that you are enjoying each other's company. Okay, your partner will be drawn towards you, you will be drawn towards your partner. So everything is going to be so magical, and everything is going to be so aligned that you're not even thinking of this energy yet. So universe is going to give you something really big. And other than that, you are going to recognize who your love is, who your the one is. So that is another energy that I'm getting in this you versus me energy. Okay, a love where you can depend on someone, a love where someone can depend on you, and you both are going to be beautiful individuals and get together. This is the energy that I see here. So let's quickly pick one oracle message also. Set loving boundaries and open your heart. So one thing is for sure, Capricorns, your heart is opening. Okay, but one thing that you need to do is you need to set loving boundaries around certain people. There are certain people who tend to cross your boundaries directly, indirectly, intentionally or unintentionally, but that really ruins your headspace, that really ruins your energetic field that really ruins your spiritual journey as well if you are on one. Okay, so this is something that you need to really you need to take care of, because there are certain people, it could be your friends or it could be someone else also, who tries to keep on coming into, let's say that you are in a relationship with someone, but there will be people who will keep on crossing those boundaries, not really respecting you and your personal life in the name of friendship, in the name of family, and this and that. So this is something that you need to take care of in the month of September. Okay, so you can always love the other person even if you have boundaries. Okay, even if you have loving boundaries, just because you have loving boundaries doesn't mean that you're going to hurt anyone. So do not be in that pattern anymore. That is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.